All right. Only one trade that I seen. Mike Trout auto, please. We will try that. All right. Let's get some people jump in here and we'll get started. Pick a box, 1 through 4. 1 on top, 4 on the bottom. Bobby's asleep. 1 through 4, guys. 1 through 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 on top, 4 on the bottom. 4. Let's go. There we go. Thank you everybody for jumping in real quick. We got a couple more. I'm going to put Chronicles football up next, since we have had a lot of requests for it. There we go. Unbox tier 1. I haven't, of course, Topps is a lot harder than the Panini. Twins hitting off already on top. Tora Hunter. Silver auto 10 of 10 going to the Twins. Going to the White Sox. White Sox. Lewis Robert. The $3.99 relic. Game used. Nice hit for the White Sox. Last card of the break. Going to the Astros. Look at that sick patch. Not an Astros fan, but that's nice. Jose Altuve.
That took a long time.
Yeah, that was a big break. All right. Tor Hunter, 10 out of 10.
That should be a trash can relic.
Trash can relic. Lewis Robert, the $3.99 for the Sox. And Altuve for the Astros. Some nice patches. All right, guys, thank you for jumping in. I'll post, we're going to do Chronicles next, and we'll post more tier 1.
Look at those soft hands.
Oh, my God. All right, that was a quick break. I appreciate everybody jumping in. Thank you.